Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making cabbage fried rice. So welcome back guys. Firstly, I'm going to spice this chicken, boil and fry. So I'll be spicing this chicken with chicken seasoning, curry powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, salt and rosemary. That is what I'll be using to spice this chicken with some vegetable, which is green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper and carrots. So that is all I'll be using to spice this chicken, because we need this chicken to be very good, because we need the stock for this fried rice. So I have to spice it very well so that my stock will be sweet. So after putting all the spices, you mix everything together to incorporate. Cover and allow it to cook on its own juice before adding in water. Cook it for like 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll be adding enough water that will cook the chicken, and I need a lot of stock too. So cover again and allow it to cook. Now my chicken is ready. I'll be frying. If you allow your chicken to cook on its own juice before adding in water, it allows the ingredients to enter it very well to the bone and you will enjoy it. So here are the vegetables I'll be using for this cabbage fried rice. So we don't need much for this. I'm using carrots and different kind of peppers, spring onions, the onions and the leaf, garlic and ginger paste, and the star of the show which is the cabbage, then sausage. So I already prepare everything down. The next thing is for me to wash my rice. I'm not going to parboil it. I'll wash it with salt and normal tap water. Wash it very well until the water runs clean. So my rice is well washed. So I'll be adding in that chicken oil into my pot to fry the rice first. I'm going to fry this rice. When you fry your rice, it makes it to last long, it won't spoil easily, and everything will still come out one without gumming into each other. So that is the essence of frying your rice on vegetable oil, or you use butter, any one of your choice. I use the chicken oil, the one I used to fry my chicken, because I want that chicken flavor to be on my rice. So firstly, I add garlic and ginger paste a little bit inside the oil before I put in the rice. So I'll continue to fry until it's a little bit brown, or when you feel that it has fried enough. So I'm done frying. I'll be adding in the meat stock. Then I'll add in some spice. I'm not going to use all the spice I use for the chicken because our stock is very rich. So I'll be adding in a little bit of those stock, the chicken stock, and a little bit of benny and salt. But when you're cooking yours, you just taste if there is any adjustment to be made. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. So I add water because the meat stock cannot cook the rice. So I don't want the rice to be soggy, so my water is not that much. I'll use foil paper to cover it so that I can retain the heat and cook the rice. So here is our well cooked rice. You can see how everything is still 1-1. I didn't add much water. So the next thing for us to do is to fry the vegetables. I'll start with my spring onions, the leaf and the main onions. Then the next thing will be my garlic and ginger paste. Then I'll add in the sausage and allow that to fry for like 5 to 8 minutes before adding in any other vegetable. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always watching. I really appreciate you guys. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unity Space. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Please, if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, help your girl, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you all for this Vlogmas so far. You all are amazing. Please still keep your support coming. I love you all. Thank you. So I add in the chicken spice. This chicken spice is homemade spice. I have it on my channel. Do well to check it out, please. A little bit of benny spice. Then pinch of salt. Mix that together and we are done. Because the rice is already delicious, I'm not going to add much spice. And the star of the show, which is our cabbage, is what will go in now. So after adding in the cabbage, just stir it on fire for like 1 minute. Don't let it stay long on fire so that it will not start bringing out water or get soft. You know, it can get soft easily, so we don't want that. Just give it 1 minute and we are done. So I'll now introduce the rice and the vegetable. So I'll pour it in and stir it a little bit. And our food is ready. That is all, guys. So simple and very delicious. This is very delicious. This should be in your Christmas menu, guys. Try it out. You are going to love it. I promise you that. You see how the rice is, and it can last long. It doesn't spoil easily. Thank you all for your support. Please keep the support coming, and I'm still begging, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you all tomorrow. Bye.